The introduction of our four-way flux, that is a machine where you can clean several parts of the engine. You can clean with this machine on a very easy way the injection system. So when there is a lot of dirt inside your injection system, with the connection of this machine, you will clean the injection system. Also suitable to clean the intake manifold. In modern cars, especially when direct injection engines, there will be a lot of dirt inside your intake manifold. This machine will clean it completely. But it's also suitable to clean DPFs. DPF on modern engines is a really big problem. They get clogged by soot and ashes. With this machine, and a very easy way to connect the machine to the DPF, and you will clean the DPF in about 30 to 35 minutes.